Hello everyone, today on diagnostic Hyundai Kona, customer complaint about horn not working and customer change already steering angle sensor, steering column for horn, but still if you see horn not working. Today step by step I show you what we need to and where is the problem. Let's go and see what's going on. Step 1, I check with auto data where is the fuse location. Yeah, this one should be his horn fuse. Let's see, check fuse. And second thing, we need to look in where is the relay for horn. This one should be this one fuse box, horn fuse. Okay, fuse is okay. Second thing, we need looking for relay. I checked fuse and relay was okay. Step 2, need check horn is working or not. This means horn is working. And after need from here find where is the horn wire. Need check one by one and see from steering column is power come to out or not. If you see this car have two horn, just one for alarm system horn. I check it, was is okay, we don't need this one. And second horn is here, this horn number 2. We need to check this one. We'll see problem there, but I am sure should be problem there, horn problem or wire connector or something that. Let's go see what's going on there. Just here is number 2 horn. It look like what inside. Let's see first, check power is coming or not. Check it, is power is okay. Now I need to take horn out and put new one. Old horn, you see is what inside is why horn not working, stop working. Change it for new horn. Just see working. Okay, sound good. Job done.